Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. Thanks Machan your continuous support for releasing different videos under different series, especially the new series which we are running, Marketing Today. And I'm very glad that I'm getting a lot of inputs and comments from the viewers. So based on one of the popular demand, so today I will be talking about the marketing today on the digital versus direct marketing, and which one will be more useful under these circumstances which we are facing, the troubled times. So when we talk about the digital marketing or the direct marketing, so we all know direct marketing is a very age-old methods the companies were using to reach the consumers. So which is primarily derived from the personal selling, or we can call it as the personal marketing, where the executives will go and meet the clients or consumers personally, uh, be it the B2B or B2C scenario. But of late, the role of direct marketing coming in, where the company started using telephone marketing. They use telephones to reach target consumers and get an appointment. So the cold calls is been converted into hot calls. So instead of the executives will go for knocking the door, they use the direct marketing technique where they're using telecommunication, or even they use the fax marketing. They started for some time. Then they went for using email marketing. So if you look at the shift of the marketing focus, especially the aspects which companies using from B2C to B2B. Uh, B2C actually they primarily focus on direct marketing, but still they use the mix of both B2C and B2B uh, for both the marketing techniques. Also, they use a mix of both direct marketing versus personal selling. For B2B scenario, where they use direct marketing to call and find out the requirements of the clients about the products. Then they go for a personal selling to show the product demo which requires. But when they're going for the B2C scenario, the company resorted to the B2C, especially the direct marketing technique. But when you look at the direct marketing technique, primarily used for only the solicitation kind of a thing, where you can call the clients and just check with them. But even if you want to close the deal for any credit cards or opening of bank accounts, or even the insurance or anything, like the role of direct marketing is only finish at the stage of the solicitation. But when you're going for signing up or the finishing the deal, still it required the personal interaction with the clients. Uh, there is a shift actually. Like later, they moved to digital marketing aspects, especially today. Now, the most of the companies are going for digital marketing procedures, right from the solicitation to till finish the deal uh, by using digital marketing. So where the interaction between the executives become minimal over a period of time, especially for a B2C scenario, but B2B, but still there is a prevalent impact of the personal interaction is very, very important because of the value of the product or services. So we can actually take it in this sense, like whenever you're going for low value and to some extent middle value, medium value products or services, so we can use more of digital marketing or direct marketing techniques. But when you just go up in the ladder, when you go in for the high valuable product and services, where the company can use digital marketing or direct marketing to solicit, to know the requirements of consumers and create the interest in the minds of consumers. But when they're going for negotiation and clinching the deal, especially for the high value products and services, so there they need to go for a personal interaction is very, very important, because the clients may have a lot of questions regarding that because of the nature of the product and services, the investment. So the higher the investment, the higher the involvement we know from our know your consumer serious. So normally consumer will involve more when they're investing more money, the shelf life is more, and very important decisions are made in this scenario. So when you're looking at the present scenario, the which type of marketing is better, whether you go for a direct marketing or digital marketing or personal interaction is important. So as I told you, there is not much of a change which I am seeing now at this point of time. The scenario is same. The companies are still using digital marketing and direct marketing for a solicitation, especially solicitation, even completing the deal, especially for the low and middle value of products. But when you're going for a high value product and services, they're looking for a personal interaction. But today, of the scenario which requires the social distancing and the personal interaction is normally discouraged. So in that case, the companies nowadays, actually we have a new technology. The video conferencing technologies emerged through Teams or Zoom, uh, GoToMeeting, Google Meet. So there are many video conferencing options are available. So when you go to the stage of a negotiation or a deal clinching, the company can resort to these technologies, the video conferencing technologies, to complete the deal. But they can use the digital marketing and direct marketing technique to solicit and create the interest in the minds of consumers and bring them to the table of the stage where the negotiation will take place and the decisions to be made. So in this say, we can't say that actually which marketing is better at this point of time, but all are compatible and complementary in nature, and stage by stages they have to use, as we see very clearly for low value and middle value product and services. The company can resort to direct marketing and digital marketing, so right from solicitation till the entire process, till deal clinching. But when you go in for a higher value product and services, the company can use the solicitation and create the interest in the minds of consumers and take the consumer to the table for deal clinching and negotiation. So that stage, the personal interactions required, where they can use a video conferencing technique to talk face to face or through the the technology, the video conferencing to address the queries and finally clinching the deal. So in this way, all the marketing techniques are compatible, but how in the context and how the company is using for what sort of the process, which is very, very important. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with your network, because you see my videos are really focusing on the practitioners mode, and also it's focused on the students, academicians, anybody who wants to be using marketing techniques or they want to do business. So it is not only focusing on the big companies, it is focusing on everyone who wants to be successful in whatever they do in their business. So that is how actually our videos are prepared. So again, I ask you to give your valuable inputs. As this video you see, it is made based on the popular demand. So likewise, if you give a demand, so I can just consider and we can continue this series for a while. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my video.